Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Okay, so I have got a ton of stuff I have to get done today. So rather than try to do the super long video like I keep doing, and I don't mean to, sorry, I am going to kind of do a quick little montage. So let me just tell you what I need to get done today, okay? So first, I really need to mow. And I'm gonna mow here. Next, I need to put down another application of bifen because it's been well over 30 days and we've gotten tons of rain. All this stuff's washed out. And I know this for a fact because the lawn is full of bugs right now. So I gotta do that. Next, here in the back, I gotta put down my RGS. I forgot to do it when I put down my carbon X. It's a good thing I didn't do it because we got tons of rain, so it would have washed out anyway. So I got to put down some RGS. Since we're in the back and we're talking about it, I want to give you a quick update. So I have been real mowing back here, as you probably know, having watched some of my videos, especially the recent ones. But I am not going to do that anymore until I get this lawn the way I want it. There are several reasons for that. Number one is it's already like in the 90s here in Nebraska. Normally that doesn't start hitting, actually no, this is about normal time, so never mind. And the humidity is out of bounds, as Guy Fieri would say. Out of bounds. But it is just so hard to real mow back here when it's, I mean, even right now, it's like I said, it's 9:30 in the morning. Even at 9:30 in the morning when there's a breeze and it's only like 75, almost 80 degrees, with the humidity and the heat index and everything, it already feels like it's like 85 back here. So I'm gonna be lazy and out of shape and not real mow. The second reason is we got, like I said, all that rain. I couldn't mow for 4 days, which when I was real mowing, I had to mow this every 2 days. But I couldn't mow for 4 days. So when I came back here, it was like 3.5 inches tall, which isn't that tall for a rotary mower, but for a real mower, that's pretty tall. So I couldn't real mow it. And I remember I was real mowing at 1.5 inches. So I came back here with the rotary in the bag, and I mowed at 2 inches, just 2 inches. Nothing crazy, especially because the real mower can handle 1.5 inch, no scalping anywhere. I know that the real mower is different, but so like I said, it came back here with the rotary at 2 inches in the bagger, and it just scalped the crap out of everything. You can't see it right now because I've been letting everything grow back up. I think that back here the grass is probably at 3.5, 4 inches. But let me see if I can find a couple spots. Here's a good one. See? See all that down there? That's dirt. Oh, and some dead grass. But yeah, once you get on top of this, it's not looking super good. It's looking better now that I let everything grow back up. But in general, not looking too awesome. And in the front's happy. The front doesn't care. The front's at 4 inches. And yeah, the front loves it at 4 inches. Here's the front. I mean, I still got weeds, but nothing crazy. Anyway, and then so the third reason that I decided to stop real mowing back here is because all the rain we've been getting, and all the rain we're going to continue to get, plus high temperatures, plus high humidity means there's still a lot of moisture in the air even when it's not raining. So that puts my lawn at a really big risk for disease, especially in these highly shaded areas. So let's say I mowed at 1.5 inches with the real mower, and then I notice some disease or fungus or something like that. Well, if I want to bag, which in that case you should bag, so you don't spread it all around the lawn, I would have to wait for it to get to over 2 inches for me to mow it with the rotary, unless I want to scalp everything. Which means that disease could just continue spreading just from the grass growing and stuff. So I'm not a big fan of that. So I think I need to hold off on the real mowing until I can get this all leveled and get a good cultivar of grass, or cultivars of grass back here that can stand up to real mowing and is just uniform and consistent, so I don't have to put so much fertilizer down all the time. And else I might try a bluegrass or a bluegrass rye. I'm not sure yet. Something that can stand up to being real mowed to, you know, an inch or lower. So if you have any recommendations, slap them down in the comments there. I think I'm going to go with United Seed, but we'll see. I really hope that soon it starts to cool down a little bit, so that way I can do my mesotrione application. But now I'm starting to think I'm just going to have to wait for fall. And if things go right, then I'm going to, and I know this is scary, I'm going to till up everything back here. And the reason I want to till is because that makes it really easy to just get like a pallet with some weights and drag it and smooth everything out. And then I can put down some seed, maybe some sand on top of that to finish off the leveling, and then seed on top of that. Anyway, but I'm not going to get ahead of myself here because bad stuff might happen. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching this quick update. I appreciate you subscribing, especially all the new subscribers. I want to say thanks to n-ext DIY Lawn for featuring my video. Without them, I would not be at the level I am now. So I appreciate you guys. I appreciate everybody. If you like the video, like it. If you love it, subscribe if you're not already. Shoot me a comment down below. We'll talk about stuff. And I will see you in the next video.